How realistic is the dream of colonizing Mars and making it habitable?
There's like several ways how you can look at this question, right? So first of all, Elon Musk mentioned on his Twitter account that he planned to send the first Starship to Mars in 2026, which is like 2 years from today. Obviously, from the first ever Starship going to Mars until a proper Mars colony can take several decades. And then also a colony doesn't mean properly habitable planet. It's not like terraforming, right? We are like probably centuries away from terraforming Mars. If you think slowly and slowly about, okay, if you can have maybe first base managed by robots, kind of have some presence, some running some experiments, that can happen within this decade, right? If it takes like 6-7 months to get to Mars, right? If you launch something 2026, that 2027 we might be there already. But like slowly, we need to kind of start thinking as well, kind of why do we need to go to Mars? It's another question, right? If it's the resources which we don't have today, is that a launch pad to asteroid belt again to mine resources or minerals which we don't have today? Like, we need to have economic reason, right? I mean, people don't do colonization just for the sake of colonization. There has to be some business reason as well. And I mean, obviously there is plan B. That's what Elon Musk also saying, right? We need to have plan B if something happened with Earth. I don't think it's a dream. I think it's a proper project, which is now kind of not a project, but initiative, which is now people trying to do, obviously led by like SpaceX and Elon Musk. And I also like to say what Elon Musk mentioned recently, that the window for our civilization, while we can build something on Mars, is limited, and it's actually now. So 20 years later, 30 years later, we might have another COVID. We might have like third world war. We might have asteroid hit our Earth, whatever. We might actually go back in our development as a civilization. So if we want to build a Mars colony today, we have to do it now.